Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this lecture. Why this course? In my entrepreneurial career, I have found that irrespective of the industry, whether it is ICT, retail, real estate, or organic food products, the main challenge which entrepreneurs face is a clear and concise set of key dimensions along which they must optimize their business to make it more strategically agile, more resilient to market cycles, more operationally efficient, and more scalable. Therefore, you need a blueprint that will facilitate you in defining a clear action plan which will help you in optimizing your business along these dimensions. This action plan will act as your strategy that will set your business up for exponential growth. Now, there are a lot of books on business strategy, but they don't provide business owners or business professionals with a framework that will help them develop a competitive strategy without leaving any blind spots behind. It is like a blueprint that can be adapted to any business in any industry. This course will clearly explain the business strategy blueprint consisting of 8 key dimensions. Just the first 3 dimensions out of 8, which Mr. J. Abraham has been teaching since the past 5 decades, can set your business up for exponential growth. The last 5 dimensions further make your business more streamlined and give you even more clarity regarding the key focus areas which you cannot afford to neglect and must emphasize on in your business. This framework will trigger a thought process that will change your perception of doing business efficiently, and it will also help you in leveraging the opportunities in the business environment by number 1, collaborating with other business sectors, number 2, focusing on your core skills, number 3, getting repeat business, and number 4, getting new business, and much more. And as a result, it will convert your business into a value centric cash flow machine. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the next lecture.